Another warm and humid day here in West Michigan, although we saw a lot less sunshine. And that has not been the usual case here in the month of June. A lot more cloud cover on the way and some showers and isolated thunderstorms. That's why the 13 weather ball tonight is blinking bright for that through the middle of the day tomorrow in sight. And it's also blue, cooler, and eventually less humid weather in view. And this view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. Another day in the mid-80s. Our average high is 81, and for the most part, everyone exceeded that throughout the day today. And we forecast 88, and we're perfect in the past month, and now we have 34 days in a row within 3 degrees of our forecast high. That's how we measure it. We're going to see those temperatures fall down into the mid-60s tonight, only recover up into the low and maybe mid-70s here tomorrow. But look at that bottom line. That's the amount of moisture in the air. We call that the dew point. It'll drop out of the 60s, below 60 by about 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. That's kind of the threshold for getting a little bit more comfortable, and we'll stay that way up until about Friday. Earlier this afternoon, we had an area of showers that developed off to the north and west, coming across Lake Michigan, affecting areas from Muskegon northward. Another batch that fell apart coming through southwest lower Michigan. Now the main line is right in through here, east of Grand Rapids, over Montcalm County, around the Hastings area, down to the south through Kalamazoo. We'll see a few more develop later on tonight, but they won't be coming from that direction. They'll be coming out of these down to the south and west. Eventually, it'll all push to the east later on tomorrow afternoon behind this cold front. That's the leading edge of the more comfortable weather through about Thursday. In the meantime, this evening, there is a marginal risk. That's category 1 out of 5. You can see the highest probability for any severe weather down over northern and central Illinois. There are those showers developing right along that front. You can see those pushing to the east. There'll be a few more later on tonight. After about 2 a.m., we'll see dissipating showers and thunderstorms, but these are going to last through about noon tomorrow. Then after that, it will become partly cloudy, and I think that'll be enough sunshine tomorrow afternoon to get us back up into the mid-70s, but certainly a change in how it feels. Mostly clear to partly cloudy overnight tomorrow night, no rain, and I think it will be rain-free during the day on Wednesday. Maybe a couple of showers northeast over the northeastern part of the state, and some over here in Wisconsin. Chances of rain Wednesday and Thursday are not 0, but we won't see anything like we'll see overnight tonight. You can see the rainfall estimates. Just about everyone at least see about a quarter, maybe a half an inch of rain, and there'll be a little bit more in the morning tomorrow. But after that, it's going to dry out. We won't see any rain until perhaps on Friday. More importantly, we're going to drop those dew points out of the 60s into the 50s here tomorrow, low 50s on Wednesday, and in some cases only around 50 on Thursday, but enjoy it. We have some of the hottest and most humid weather coming up toward the end of next week. Dew point forecast, you can see, will start to rise as we get into the weekend. Dew points above 70. That gets a little bit oppressive here, and that will start on Monday. On Lake Michigan here tomorrow, small craft advisories early in the day. They'll shift further southward in the afternoon. And if you're headed out to the beaches here tomorrow, beach hazard alert from Ottawa, Allegan, and Van Buren counties southward starting at about 11 a.m. Other than that, we're looking at morning showers, some afternoon sun, highs in the low to mid-70s at the Lakeshore tomorrow. Up north, again, morning showers, afternoon sun with highs in the mid-70s. And from Grand Rapids southward, we'll reach the mid and maybe even upper 80s before the sun comes out. 13 on your side forecast. 80 starting Friday with the high humidity, and then very humid, if not hot, Monday through at least Thursday of the following week.